In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DuckDuckGo shortcut. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple and practical way to create a shortcut for DuckDuckGo using a Chromium-based browser. This shortcut will help you quickly access a safer and more private search experience anytime you need it without manually typing the website each time. To begin, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, and go to DuckDuckGo.com. Wait for the page to fully load so the website is ready to be saved as a shortcut. Once the page is open, navigate to the Browser Settings menu. This is usually found in the top corner of the window where you can access more tools and customization options. Open the Settings area and look for the section labeled Save and Share. Inside this section, you will find an option that allows you to create a shortcut for the current page. Select the option to create a new shortcut. This will generate a quick access link directly to DuckDuckGo. After selecting the shortcut option, you will be asked to name it. You can choose any name you prefer so it is easy to recognize later. In this case, naming it DuckDuckGo makes it simple to identify as your private search shortcut. Once the name is made, confirm your selection and save it. The browser will then create an icon or shortcut entry that you can place on your desktop, home screen, or browser app list depending on your device. This shortcut now acts as a quick entry point to DuckDuckGo, allowing you to open the search engine instantly without going through multiple steps. It is especially useful if you want a fast and secure way to access private browsing and safer search results. From now on, whenever you click this shortcut, it will take you directly to DuckDuckGo, helping you stay focused on privacy and speed while browsing the internet. It also reduces the need to manually search for the site, making your workflow more efficient and convenient. And that's it. You've successfully created a DuckDuckGo shortcut that gives you quick access to a secure search engine with just one click. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.